Well, currently, after a 10-day span, I've had 14 signups with Save Club, and not only as members, but as affiliates as well. And if you're watching my channel, I hope that's what your end game is to achieve not only the membership status for 1997, but do that $60 upgrade to be an affiliate, okay? I think it's so worth it. So if you'd like to join, member and affiliate right now, $79.97. I like to bring up money sometimes at the beginning of a video because if you watch, most of my videos are like 10 minutes or so. At the end of the video, if I say an X amount of money and it's too much, I don't want you to feel like bait switch or you're wasting your time. Okay, Save Club, it's a very affordable business. Now, the 1997, I'm a big fan of that because if you really want to log into saveclub.com and go through the deals, I really, in my opinion, I have to kind of do disclaimer, I think you're going to save a lot of money. And with this opportunity as an affiliate, you can make a lot of money. You just have to post about this opportunity. Invite someone to your own personal link, which you get when you're an affiliate, and sit back and let the video or videos take over from there. In 2025, and today, let's see, it's June 6th of 2025. We're only 6 days old. We did a pre-launch about 30 days before. For most of us affiliates, just trying to build teams, trying to build nations. We want the whole world to participate, but we're only 6 days old, not even a week old. We debuted June 1st. And over the last 6 days, it's been exciting. People are joining because it's just a darn good deal. You can't beat the $19.97 a month, especially when you're saving 50 to 100, a few hundred. Who knows how much you're going to save? I was lucky enough to save almost $900 and some dollars because I needed tires for 2 of my vehicles, a purple mattress, which is expensive. I went to Burger King. I think I accidentally went to I went to Subway, and I did accidentally go to Wendy's for a Frosty. Okay, I saved, and then I go to 2 different car washes. Depends if I'm where all my cars are parked or here at the radio station, but I go to 2 different car washes, and I was able to save $17 on the memberships, which I'm doing anyway. But boy, it really adds up just to be a member. And you know what? If you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. And a lot of times people join Save Clubs, but they don't log in or use the coupon. How many times did you get the Sunday newspaper, cut out all these coupons? You'd have a drawer of hundreds of coupons, and you forgot you even owned them. And by the time you went to use them, they were expired by 1 or 2 years. Well, with Save Club, if the deal is available on your phone, that means, yes, it is still available. Because when they're not, they're wiped off. So saveclub.com. Okay, I'm at Walmart. Boom, let's see if there's a deal. Okay, scan, just show the code. Or if you're ordering something online, let's say like a flight or a hotel, the code is going to be right there on your computer screen or obviously on your cell phone, and you can get the deal that way. You go to a restaurant. Oh, here's my code. Scan. Oh, 10% off. Or could be 5, could be, 2 for 1. There's always different deals. That's what I like about Save Club. It's not printed where it's in stone like an old, and I hate to say an old-fashioned coupon because there's still tons of them out there. But isn't it nice to know that there could be 14 different types of deals just at Wendy's alone, when it comes down to, oh gosh, let's just say a burger or a Frosty, maybe 2 fries for the price of 1. Sometimes it could be 50% off. I mean, I've seen just about every type of deal, and it's up to each business how much profit they would like to kind of give away to you as a savings. Because obviously they want you to go there. They want you to go ahead and buy a hamburger or buy a what is it called? A biscuit. I was going to say KFC because I saw them in there. Biscuits and gravy. That sounds so good right now. I'm getting fatter as I sit. You can even go, there's gym membership deals there too. So if you go to Popeye's Chicken, which is in there, a lot of people like the chicken sandwiches there. You just get kind of a little plumpy, and then you go to the gym and work it off. But there's a Lyft. You can go with Lyft, get a ride to the gym, while you're eating Popeye's chicken. So when you're working out, you can have a chicken sandwich right in your other hand, but you have to sneak it in. Usually they don't want you to have like chicken sandwiches when you're lifting weights. But, do what you got to do. Maybe oh my gosh, what else? Home Depot's in there, Lowe's. They're kind of similar stores where you can buy a lot of stuff to upgrade your patio or maybe paint your walls, nails. They even have drinks and candy bars when you're checking out, because I accidentally bought a Snickers bar there one time. The big massive one that's like $3 a pop. Maybe you can get a quarter off or maybe 50 cents off a Snickers bar when you go there. Man, I'm getting really fat after doing this. I got to undo my shorts. I think I'm gaining an inch or two of fat around the old gut just talking this way, but there's a lot of savings that are going to take place over the next 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years. I don't see Save Club going anywhere except up. It's the first of its kind to be a worldwide savings international club. It's almost like Save Club International, because that's kind of what it is. China, yes, we're coming your way. Every nook and cranny, every little city. Iceland, Greenland, bet your buns. We are definitely going to Hawaii. Maybe vacation there, fly, work on our tans, sipping those drinks with umbrellas. We're obviously going to go right over Asian areas, go into the UK, France, Italy. Yes, we're coming. And we're going way down to Brazil. And then we're going to, kind of head over to Australia, New Zealand, New Guinea. And yes, Canada above me and Mexico below. We're going to have deals. Now, they might not be all available now because we're only 6 days old, but give us 3 to 6 months. And obviously within 1 year, I have no doubt we're going to have millions of deals worldwide, yes, international, for 1997. And the more members that we get, and we'll probably sign up about 1 million our first year. Once we get 1 million, 2 million, 3 million people, the price savings alone will go down. There's power in numbers. And right now, when you have 1 or 2 or 3 million people in a group that want savings, I know if I own my own business, I would want to be in Save Club. And guess what? When you log into Save Club, you can, believe it or not, feature your business. But you have to submit. They're not going to approve every business, I'm sure. But you know what? This is the back office. Now, when you go into My Deals, this is where you can check out thousands and thousands. Just put your zip code in there, search, pizza, Costco, carpet cleaning, mowing lawns, going to Disney World. Just about everything is already in the back office. But when you log into Save Club, go to My Deals, and then go to the bottom. See, it says, are you a merchant and want to work with us? Click Get Started. Just fill out the forms and go through the process. And you know what? Maybe your gym, my friend's tanning salon here in town, is already in Save Club, which is kind of cool. And look at this Buff. That's my favorite. I want to own something called Buff. Oh, there's Burger King. Oh, there's that damn Subway. Now I want to go to Popeye's Chicken. If I hit view more, oh my God, there's so many restaurants. And there's health food stores too, believe it or not. It's not all just fast food like I'm somehow promoting here. Oh, there's Pizza Hut. Whoops, $5. Oh, there's that Wendy's. Go get a Frosty, $3 off. Now, oh, there's the gym. Voss is a real big gym here in Salt Lake City. Look at that, $24. Nice. And then when I spill my Frosty all over my workout equipment, I can go to the dry cleaner and get 30% off, go to Kohl's and buy some affordable, clothing. But check this out. Isn't this awesome? Look, Master Muffler, $50 off. Panda Express, that's good. I love it. Oh, look at that. Ford. If you're going to buy a Ford, whatever, it could be a truck or a car. Look at that. $4,925. Who knows? All you got to do is just view the details of the day that you want to go down there. And who knows what, because deals change all the time. Just follow what the screen says. And then give that person you're paying the cell phone screen. And you can even print out our deals. So if you want to just give like a coupon, give a piece of paper to that restaurant or wherever you're going, show them and get the deal. Okay, because if it's in the back office, that means it is alive and kicking. It is active. Save some money, okay? That's just on the saving side for $19.97 a month, okay? And when you're an affiliate, man, it's easy to talk about this opportunity. And I hope you do what I do. I'm just going to show you. Boom, there it is. I like to invite you to 2 links. Joinsaveclub.org. Go there and just officially join. Fill out your information, hit the little orange button. It's super simple. That's what it looks like. And watch this video too if you'd like to meet our founder. But fill out this form here, hit the orange button. Then you're going to get an email from Save Club. Just open it up and join that way. And if you don't join, you're going to get one email message per day for the next month. And if you want to shut them down, just hit unsubscribe. But I recommend keep those emails. You learn a lot. Okay. Now, that is if you want to officially join Save Club right now. If you have already joined and you're kind of stuck a little bit, Save Club funnels. This is what it looks like. Go, put your email address in this white little button, hit that yeller button. Watch this 20-minute video. It really explains Save Club. I get most of my signups this way now using the funnel. And then if you want to join Save Club after you watch this little funnel video, join here. And if you've already joined Save Club, just get the new funnel, click the little red button, and then it's up to you. $25. Check it out. You don't have to do it, but it gets a lot of people unstuck. And besides, you get free training, free videos, free pictures. We give you a lot of free everything because you're joining a team now, not just yourself. You're going to join a team. You get a private invite to 2 Facebook pages that just have an unbelievable amount of content to help you be an affiliate so people join you so you can make money. And obviously you're saving money too by going into the Get Deals tab. So here's my links. There we go, guys. Joinsaveclub.org. Go there now. Just click it and come aboard. And if you want the funnel system, you can do it down the road. Just remember Save Club Funnels with an S.com. And remember joinsaveclub.org. We're a badass organization. It's not an orgasm. Some people are like, join Save Club and save on orgasms. That sounds pretty good. Maybe that'll be in the back office or the back door. It'll be somewhere. But anyway, you guys have been good. Thanks for watching me for 12 minutes. You need something, Cory at CoryDraper.com. Or find me on Facebook. I'm easy to find. I'm usually wearing yellow, that's for sure. Okay? And inbox me there. Thanks, guys, for your time. And we'll talk to you next video. Saveclub.org.